Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, BERT, is a powerful natural language processing, NLP, model that has achieved state-of-the-art results in various NLP tasks. In this tutorial, we'll explore BERT and implement a simple Python code example using the popular transformers library. Make sure you have the following installed. BERT is a transformer-based model designed to understand the context and relationships within a given text. It is pre-trained on large amounts of text data and can be fine-tuned for specific NLP tasks like text classification, named entity recognition, and question answering. We'll use the Transformers library developed by Hugging Face to work with BERT. This library provides easy-to-use interfaces for various transformer models, including BERT. Now, last_hidden_ states contains the embeddings for each token in the input text. You can fine-tune the pre-trained BERT model for various NLP tasks. For example, let's use it for text classification. This is a basic example, and you should customize it according to your specific NLP task. BERT is a powerful tool for natural language understanding, and the Transformers library simplifies its usage in Python. This tutorial covered the basics, and you can further explore the library documentation for advanced features and configurations. ChatGPT